Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with electric stabilizer jacks, LED exterior lighting, quad step entry, flip down travel rack, water heater bypass, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, solar power prep, roof ladder, spare tire and carrier, frameless windows, outside speakers, backup camera ready, triple slides, interior speakers, trifold sofa sleeper, high-rise faucet, solid surface kitchen countertops, entry grab handle, ducted AC, 3-burner cooktop, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, shower skylight, overhead kitchen storage, AM/FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, storage drawers under each booth, kitchen pantry, vanity with sink, living room fireplace, wardrobe closet. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.